Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking garden hose sprayers, and in the event that your sprayer is not spraying water, or if it is and you have very little pressure, we're going to talk about the most common cause other than a kink in your hose. Let's go outside and take a look. All right, YouTubers, outside right now, and here is our garden hose. And step number one, you have probably already completed this step. Make sure your spigot is in the full open position. Turning it to the right or clockwise closes it. Turning it to the left or counterclockwise opens it. Also, internally, you should have a shutoff valve. And you may have to go down in your crawl space if you don't have a basement and just verify that your shutoff valve is in line with the plumbing to allow that water to flow through efficiently. Next, come up to your nozzle. And as you can see, we are in the full on position. And when I press, there's just not much pressure. See that? This knob right here is very, very important. And when it is loosened or turned counterclockwise, it reduces the tension on your trigger, which ultimately results in a decrease in pressure and outflow of water. So turn this clockwise. And as you can see, as you turn it clockwise, your trigger is pressed inward. And the more you twist it in, the more pressure you get on your nozzle. See that? Now we can spray pretty far. So that right there hopefully will fix your issue. From here, do us a favor, YouTubers. Below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us, and we would really appreciate it. Thanks again. And one more thing. We bought this Craftsman kink-free hose from our local Lowe's and did a review video on it. That is scrolling above. You may find it very helpful. And in addition, from our local Lowe's for only $9.99, we bought this mount that mounts right on the exterior wall of our house, and we love it. And if you're curious on how to install that, a link is down below in the description section as well as the comment section. Definitely check that out. Thanks again.